the origins of writing, astronomy, and law. The very roots of civilization trace back not to Egypt, Greece, or Rome, but to an ancient land between two rivers, Mesopotamia. This remarkable region, nestled between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers, is part of what we now call Iraq, Kuwait, and Syria. For thousands of years, it served as a cradle of innovation and human advancement. Inhabited as far back as 12,000 years ago, Mesopotamia's fertile landscape, dependable climate, and abundant fresh water made it the perfect environment for early farming communities to thrive. From 4000 to 3100 BCE, the land was a patchwork of rival city-states. Later, these were briefly united under the Akkadian Empire, only to fracture again into the powerful civilizations of Assyria and Babylon, roughly 6,000 years ago. These settlements grew rapidly, some transforming into the earliest known cities on Earth. Despite ongoing conflict, Mesopotamia never stopped progressing. Towering structures like temples and ziggurats were erected, serving both spiritual and civic purposes. Mathematics flourished here. The people developed a base 60 number system, giving us the 60-minute hour, the 60-second minute, and the 360-degree circle, still in use today. They divided the year into 12 parts, each named for constellations they observed, a system the Greeks would later refine into the zodiac. Babylon, in particular, became a target of conquest. But the ideas born here, literacy, justice, mathematics, astronomy, endured. In 539 BCE, Cyrus the Great of Persia overtook the city, bringing Mesopotamia under Persian rule. They also created the 7-day week, linking each day to a celestial deity represented by the visible planets. One of its most famous uses was to inscribe the laws of King Hammurabi, one of the earliest known legal codes, and a foundation for structured governance. The Babylonians in particular used this mathematical knowledge to chart the heavens. But the most transformative legacy of Mesopotamia may be its invention of writing. What began as simple marks to account for trade and inventory became, by around 3200 BCE, a fully developed script known today as cuneiform. This adaptable system was used for millennia, across numerous languages and cultures. Yet, the very prosperity that made Mesopotamia powerful also made it vulnerable. Over time, the once great cities crumbled and were buried beneath layers of earth and sand. The spirit of Mesopotamia lives on, woven into the very fabric of what we now call civilization.